Hey guys, what's happening? Time to do an oil change on the Silverado. Pretty sure it's a, oh yeah, my old ass box right here. Like that. I think it's a 15 on this thing. I'm not sure. I need that. And this guy. One of these. And one of these. Gotta have the drain pan. I'm not gonna jack it up because I think I can get under here enough where I won't need to. We'll see. Put those aside. I'm pretty sure. Sweet. 15. See if we can make a nice hell of a mess right here. Oh, nice. Pretty black. I think this thing's got 193,000 on it right now. And for what it is, it definitely runs pretty good, drives pretty good, a very reliable truck. Good old Fram filter. Yeah, boy. Might have to put you down for this. Yeah. I got it loosened up. Swimming in it. Always make sure that gasket's out of there. Or not stuck on there, I guess I should say. That's still leaking a little. What do you say, good enough? Me too. And now let's torque this down to 2 million foot-pounds. We don't want it to rattle free. I'd probably say so, huh? Yeah, I'm like the Hulk, so that's pretty tight, guy. Alright, Drippy, you can still drip. Let me crawl out of here. Alright, now that I squeeze back out here. Oh, you got it right. The Fram. Not that I wanted to, it's just all they had. Sorry. And I don't care. I'll always do it. I don't care what anybody says. I took it off, it was full. It's going on full. With full, you know what I mean. There's gonna be oil in it. Okay, so let's pour this all over the ground where I'm gonna be working. Here you go. Have a drink. This oil looks really clear. I guess mine was really black, huh? What do you think? Is that good? One more? Alright. That seems pretty cool. Get out of the way. Alright, let's try not to spill this. Oh, yep, I'm spilling it. Sorry. You missed it. Big mess. Tight squeeze under here. Now we're gonna tighten this up to about 4 million foot-pounds. We're gonna make sure it's nice and tight. Get this out of here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's about 2 million pounds right there. Whew, back topside. Alright. I guess this stuff goes in here. Come on. What do you think? Funnel or no? We'll give it a try. Whew. And left-handed. Well, had to say something. Cool. Alright. Now let's be like MacGyver. Let's cut this. Actually, I think I just have a funnel, don't I? Right here. Let's just use this. Seems legit. Look at that. There you go. Have a nice drink. I bet now that I have a funnel, I'll be missing. No. Oh. Should I do all of this? I guess so, huh? Oh man, what a beautiful day today. Finally the sun is out. I feel like it's been raining for 3 days now. It's beautiful out here. Raked the lawn the other day. That was nice. Put the kids to work. They hated it. I loved it. Look at this. This is a lot of oil, huh? Come on, get in there. I had a 2000 F350 7.3 diesel. I think that took like, what, 400 quarts of oil? I felt like when I did an oil change, it was legit an all-day project. There you go. Shake it off. I think it's pretty clean. Isn't that how you check if a head gasket's blown, if it's milky or something? I think so. Get in there. There it goes. Alright. Now, let's put that in there. Bring this over here. In case we spill some, it'll just be on the ground. We'll try and get all that in there. Oh yeah, man. Oh, spill it easy. Whoa. Oh, I'm already dripping. Damn it. Oh no, not good, not good. Let's just put that there for a minute. Oh God, I'm dripping everywhere. Look at this, unbelievable. This is why we just can't have nice things. Unreal. I feel silly. What a mess. Well, we didn't make too much of a mess. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching a quick oil change on the Silverado. Have a good one, and hopefully it goes smoother for you.